Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best gifts for photographers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the photography items in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best gifts for photographers on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. The Osmo Mobile 2 handheld gimbal by JDI is a great gift for avid smartphone videographers. The lightweight gadget is designed to help the attached smartphone capture superbly stabilized video, using both its front-facing or main camera. In addition to helping users capture smooth video, the JDI Osmo Mobile 2 has a dedicated mode for time-lapse videos, as well as immersive panoramic photos via intuitively placed controls. The device is compatible with most popular smartphones. Number 9. Nikon COOLPIX P1000. The COOLPIX P1000 digital camera by Nikon has a gigantic zoom range, 24 to 3000 millimeters. So it's a great gift for avid nature and astronomy photographers. The 16 megapixel image sensor of the camera has optical image stabilization as well as a sophisticated image processor to make the most out of the zoom capabilities. As expected from its price point, the Nikon COOLPIX P1000 is also capable of capturing 4K video. The rest of the camera's key features include a fully articulating touchscreen, a built-in electric viewfinder, and an excellent set of external controls. Coming in at number 8, Vanguard VO2 Carbon Fiber Camera Tripod. The Vanguard VO2 is an attractively priced carbon fiber camera tripod that can hold a rather impressive 13 pounds of gear, a great gift for both beginning and advanced photographers. It has an impressive height range between 7 and 57 inches, as well as a trio of leg angles for added versatility. So if you're searching for something useful to a photographer friend, you should check it. Coming at number 7, Canon EOS-R Mirrorless Digital Camera. The Canon EOS-R is the camera manufacturer's first ever full-frame mirrorless camera and a great gift for photographers who are fans of the brand. The splurge-worthy camera packs an all-new 30-megapixel sensor, a cutting-edge image processor, a fully articulating touchscreen, and a sharp electronic viewfinder, among many other features. Canon's latest full-frame camera can also capture 4K video. It comes with an all-new lens ecosystem, but thanks to a dedicated adapter, it's fully compatible with all of the tech giant's older full-frame lenses. Number 6. LUME Cube LED Light with Bluetooth. The LUME Cube LED light is an excellent gift for photographers of any skill level. The palm-sized gadget has fully adjustable brightness with a maximum output of 1,500 lumens. The LUME Cube can also work as a continuous light source for video, as well as a strobe light for still photography. Thanks to the LUME Cube's Bluetooth connectivity, the user can fully adjust the lighting experience via a smartphone app. The device is fully waterproof up to 100 feet, so it's a great tool for underwater photography as well. Coming in at number 5, GoPro Hero 7 Black Action Camera. The Hero 7 Black by GoPro is a great gift for photographers in your life who love action sports. It's sleek, compact, easy to operate, and better connected than any of its competitors. It can capture 4K video at a barely believable 60 frames per second, a tall task for any DSLR out there. Most importantly, the Hero 7 Black has the best stabilization tech in its class, ensuring that all your adventures will be captured with amazing detail. It also has the capability to shoot bursts of 12 megapixel images. The Hero 7 Black can go up to 33 feet underwater without an additional protective housing. The latter is an optional accessory, which extends the camera's depth rating to 196 feet. Coming at number 4, Master & Dynamic MW60 wireless headphones. This variant of the Master & Dynamic MW60 wireless headphones has been designed in collaboration with Leica. It pays homage to the German manufacturer's legendary Noctilux M 5mm f/0.95 ASPH, the fastest aspherical lens in the world. The headphones deliver heavenly sound, coupled with the industry's leading craftsmanship and tactility. Like all Leica branded products, they carry the brand's iconic font as well as its signature red dot. A wired version of the headphones with the same branding is also available. Anyone who's even remotely interested in photography will love them as a gift. Number 3, Sony SFG Series UHS-II SD card. Every photographer, regardless of their skill level, will tell you that there's no such thing as having too many memory cards. So you can't go wrong with gifting this. This 64GB Sony offering is one of the best you can buy, offering the fastest data read and write speeds in the business. Higher capacity options are also available. Coming at number 2, Moment lens for smartphone cameras. Any Moment smartphone camera lens is a perfect gift for avid smartphone photographers, guaranteed to elevate the quality of images they capture. Our pick is a macro lens with a bundled removable light. Other lenses are also available, including telephoto, wide angle, and fisheye lenses. You can also browse the selection over here. The detachable accessory requires a smartphone case made by Moment. It's available for the iPhone and Samsung Galaxy, as well as Google Pixel and Google Pixel XL. Number 1, Sony CyberShot DSC RX106. The CyberShot DSC RX106 by Sony is the best point-and-shoot camera money can buy, as well as a great gift for photographers who like to travel light. The ultra-fast camera fits in a jacket pocket, yet it can shoot 4K video and capture images with quality rivaling that of a pro-grade DSLR, thanks to its 1-inch sensor. The DSC RX106 is also beautifully crafted and easy to use. Despite its compact size, the camera has an impressive zoom range that's more versatile than any past RX100 iterations. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best gifts for photographers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.